When Michael first sat in my office, his shoulders were slumped and his voice was heavy with defeat. He looked at me and said, "Doctor, my wife has been so patient, but I see the disappointment in her eyes. We used to be so connected, so passionate. Now I feel like I'm failing her in every way that matters. My energy's gone, my mornings feel empty, and things in the bedroom just aren't working like they used to. I've tried different medications, expensive supplements, complicated routines. Nothing worked." As he spoke, his voice cracked slightly. This wasn't just about fatigue or aging. It was about intimacy, the kind of closeness that makes a marriage feel alive. For years, he and his wife had shared not only love, but passion. But lately, that spark had faded. Their nights were filled with silence, and Michael felt himself pulling away, not because he wanted to, but because he no longer had the strength or confidence to give his wife what she needed. And like so many men, he carried the shame quietly, afraid to admit how much his sexual health had slipped away. Hello, I'm Dr. Leila Anderson, and today I want to share Michael's story because it's the story of so many men over 60 who sit in my office every week. Before we go further, I'd love to know, how old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. It always inspires me to see men from all over the world walking this journey of health and strength together. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of handing him another prescription, I asked him something simple. "Michael, have you ever tried cloves?" At first, he laughed like many of my patients do. After all, how could something so tiny, something you sprinkle into tea or cook with, possibly make a difference in a man's energy, circulation, and even intimacy? But he agreed to try. Over the next 12 weeks, everything began to change. Michael, who had walked into my office exhausted and ashamed, now had mornings full of energy. He could climb stairs without stopping to catch his breath. He started hiking again with his wife 5 miles at a time. And perhaps most importantly, their nights no longer ended in silence. That spark they thought was gone forever. It returned. So let me explain why cloves had such an impact. Cloves are one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants compounds that protect your blood vessels and improve circulation. For men, circulation is everything because without healthy blood flow, energy drops, stamina fades, and performance in the bedroom becomes difficult. What makes cloves unique is their high content of a compound called eugenol. This doesn't just fight surface-level damage, it goes deeper. By improving blood vessel flexibility and reducing inflammation, it directly helps the arteries in the penis stay open and responsive. In simple terms, it improves circulation where it matters most, supporting firmer, more reliable erections and stronger arousal signals between the brain and body. But that's not all. Cloves are also known to increase nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the same chemical that many prescription drugs target. It relaxes blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow where it's needed. Several studies even suggest that clove extract enhances sexual behavior by boosting nitric oxide and testosterone at the same time. When you combine better circulation with balanced hormones, you create the perfect environment for desire, stamina, and performance. That's why cloves have been considered a natural aphrodisiac for centuries. They also support testosterone, the very hormone that gives men vitality, confidence, and drive. Multiple studies have shown that compounds in cloves stimulate the production of testosterone naturally without the crash and burn effects that many supplements bring. On top of that, cloves improve digestion and reduce inflammation, 2 things that quietly drain men of energy as they age. And here's something you may not know. Cloves even fight bacteria in the mouth and gut, reducing hidden infections that can slow down your entire system. For Michael, this wasn't just science, it was life-changing. Within weeks of adding cloves into his routine, His mornings felt stronger, and his evenings felt alive again. Their nights began to change too. The silence that had once filled the room was replaced with laughter, closeness, and intimacy. His wife noticed the difference immediately, not just in the bedroom, but in how confident, present, and alive he was during the day. It reminded them both of their younger years, when passion and connection came so naturally. Now let me be clear, cloves aren't a magic pill. Michael's transformation didn't happen overnight. But by adding just a small amount, brewed as tea in the morning, or even chewing a single clove, he gave his body what it had been missing for years. His circulation improved, his energy lifted, his testosterone balanced, and intimacy returned. And the best part? This isn't expensive, risky, or complicated. It's simple, natural, and already sitting in most kitchen cabinets. So let me turn it back to you. When was the last time you felt truly alive? Not just getting through the day, but full of energy, confidence, and passion for life. Imagine if something as small as a spice could help you take that first step back towards strength, vitality, and intimacy. And Michael's story is proof that it's possible, and it can start with something as humble as cloves. So when we talk about cloves, we're not just talking about flavor for food. We're talking about a natural way to protect your heart, restore testosterone, boost blood flow, and revive the intimacy that makes relationships thrive. For men over 60, this tiny spice may just be the missing link between fatigue and vitality, between disconnection and passion. So, remember this: sometimes the most powerful changes for your health, energy, and intimacy don't come from complicated routines or prescriptions, but from simple, natural choices you can start today. Cloves are one of those gifts from nature that can help reignite vitality and connection. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I read them and do my best to guide you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with a friend who might need it, and press the bell icon so you never miss my latest health insights. Thank you for watching, and take care of yourself.